Okay, I've put my chain vice clamps on the pipe. I've got 2 of them on there. I'll show them to you when I'm finished, when I can pan out again. And I'm ready to start welding. I'm covering up my camera with a little welding cap, keep it from getting sparked out. And I'm hoping I can stay out of the way and not bump the camera while I'm welding, so you can really get a good shot on this weld here. I've got my heat set about 92. We'll see how that runs. I've thinned out my gap a little bit. I've got my chain clamps on. I'm ready to start turning my pipe. Okay, it's starting to open up on me, so I need to turn my heat down just a bit. Go down about 5 amps. I've got about 86 now. Another rod. And the position where this is now, this is the key. There's my weld, and there's the keyhole. And so, if I was to raise my pipe up this way, away from the rod, and push down on it, the gravity is really working against me on a big keyhole like that. So it's better if I can kind of keep my rod angle back, not driving as hard on the downward push on it, and just kind of lay my rod back angle a little bit so I'm not digging into the metal as much. That way my keyhole can survive a little easier. There we go. Well, I need to hit that with a grinder a little bit, thin that out, so I make sure that I've got penetration on that. Just hit that real quick. And I'll give it another shot. Well, my gap closed up on me, and sometimes it does that with heat. It'll draw your gap together, and I've got to thin it out with a grinder a little. Make sure I've got enough penetration on there. Make sure I get my root, my bead, inside the bevel on the inside of the pipe. lost my ground. You turn my heat up just a bit, bump it up to about 90. Let's go up a few amps. Just give me a little extra. Yeah, that's not going to be enough. I'm going to really crank it up about 96. And hit that stop, my start. And I think I took a little too much metal out of there just now, but I'm gonna try and work it anyway. Yeah, see, it's really disappearing on me. I'm going to stay where I'm at. I'm going to come uphill because I can step out of my puddle going uphill. And we'll get into that, the differences there. I've kind of touched on it in the ebook a little bit. I was able to close it up no problem that way. Okay, I'm going to have to go ahead and grind the bead. I'm going to shut the camera off for a minute and then we'll get back to it.